It's Hot Rod Ronnie from the Freaking Eagle channel. I was going to do a follow-up the day after the startup of the 40. Got the motor back in here. Engine, I'm sorry, some people don't want to call it a motor, it's an engine. Did a lot today, went all around inside and painted all the window seals, everything I could with Rust-Oleum, rust-proof, all around the back. Now I got a whole can. I'm going to brush the whole roof there. You know, I'll probably eventually put a headliner in, I don't know, but I've been busy today, you can see, by myself again. Took all the stuff I'm not going to use. Won't be using any of this, and it's all been restored. That's what's a shame. Here's the frame. Of course, we're going to narrow all that up, cut all that X-brace out. The guy that is going to help me do all this, Chris Rickman, he just came by, and he's awesome, man. He's so talented. Already had this 9-inch Ford rear I've been saving, and I used to sell a lot of Mustang parts, and I saved the brake drums, all new parts in those. Oh, and I just bought this guy had it for a 55, 57 Chevy Griffith radiator. Worked perfect in the 40. That's an awesome buy right there. A fraction of what they cost new. Then over here, got to show you that again. We might put the 35, 22.5 on it, like it's on the Coupezilla. That's what we was talking about a while ago. Here I got the whole, but they sent me the front end kit. They sent me a power steering rack, which I do not want. I'm going to send that back. I want regular steering. And here's the whole kit for the Mustang II Conversion. Look at these. This thing is so heavy duty, this car would never do a wheel stand. Everything is heavy, but very well built. Very well built. It's got every piece there I need. All that'll be going together quick, since I got my man back helping me. Probably wait a couple weeks till this bullshit gets over with the Chinese virus. Whatever. So that's what's going on. I'm hard at it. It's gonna be awesome. That's it. Later.